On the 14th of February 2015, I went through a very painful ordeal. I will share that story in a bit. I'm in red. You know what time it is? Valentine is around the corner. Red is the color of love, but it is also the color of danger. I don't mean to scare you or discourage you, but this video we're going to do what I call relationship litmus test. I see Vast Day as an opportunity to also take a critical look at our relationships by asking the right questions. Now back to the story. I met this girl in December 2014. We connected and we started talking. We bonded very well, spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. We grew very close. So on the 14th of February 2015, I felt it was the time to put the icing on the cake. I bought a sorted Vast Day gift and drove straight to her house. To me, all the lights were green. I only had to make the move. To cut a long story short, she had her own plans. She refused to take even one of the items I brought, and my Valentine's Day almost became Valentine's Day. That is why it's important we ask and answer these 7 key questions to ascertain the true state of our relationships before, during, or after this Vast Day. Question number 1. Are communication and trust strong? If your relationship is based on open and honest communication and trust, then you are ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. Number 2. Do you have a strong foundation? If your relationship has a strong foundation of love, respect, and understanding, then you are ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. Number 3, do both of you look forward to it? If both of you look forward to Valentine's Day and see it as an opportunity to celebrate your love and connection, then you are ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. Number 4 goes especially to the guys. Can you afford it? If you can afford to celebrate Valentine's Day without putting a financial strain on your relationship, then you are ready to celebrate. Or else, just observe it. Number 5, do you have good balance? If you have a good balance in your relationship, where both partners feel respected and valued, then you are ready to celebrate Valentine. Balance is so important. Anything that lacks balance is shaky, and sooner or later, it will fall down. Number 6, do you share similar expectations? If you share similar expectations and desires about how Valentine's Day should be celebrated, then you are ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. Expectations matter so much in relationships. Last but not least, do you have mutual understanding? If you have mutual understanding of what Valentine's Day means to each of you, then you are ready to celebrate. I believe these 7 questions will help you stir and steer your relationship to its rightful place. I don't expect you to have a perfect relationship. Actually, there is nothing like a perfect relationship. But it is important to remember that Valentine's Day is just one day and doesn't define the quality of your relationship. There is much more to a healthy and a happy relationship. All the same, happy Valentine's Day!